How to resize a photo that you might have taken with your camera on your Galaxy A55 smartphone, or a photo that you have already saved within your gallery app. Let's get started. There's two ways to go about doing this. Let's say you just took a photo with your camera and you'll see the recent photo here. If you go here, you'll see this here and you can see all the recently taken photos. You can tap on the edit icon and it's gonna appear like this here with all these other settings. You'll tap there and you will see the resize option here. So that's one way of doing this. Now let's just say it's a photo in your gallery app. You'll go into the gallery itself. Then you will look for the photo. You'll tap on it and you'll press on the edit icon here first. You'll tap here first. So you gotta tap on that here. And if you have anything open up still, you can see it's giving me that here. So you wanna make sure everything else is closed out, and you tap here and you'll see this here appear again. You'll tap on the three dots once again, and then you'll resize. So selecting resize will give you these set of options. Now you can choose any one of these, press done. And if you don't want to overwrite the original photo, instead of saving it completely, you can save it as a copy and keep the original one by selecting the three dots here and go to save as copy, okay? And now you have yourself a copy and the original one, like in so.